Hiya from Aya. Can you believe that Christmas will be here in no time? Are you getting Christmas lights out for your boat? Will you be in a parade this year? I can't wait to see it decorated. How about we start by reading a book to celebrate and get ready for the season? This one's called Bulldozer's Christmas Dig. You dig it? It was Christmas Eve, and Dump Truck was carrying. Digger Truck was stringing. Crane Truck was lifting. And Bulldozer was worrying. He didn't have any presents for his friends. Not one. What could he do? Looking out across the construction site, he saw a tire half buried in the snow. Bulldozer said to himself. I wonder what other treasures are under there. His blade rose. He scooted across the snow. Now this looks like a place to dig, Bulldozer exclaimed. Scrape, thabunk! Treasure, whooped Bulldozer. But when he shoveled it out, all he saw was junk, grumbled Bulldozer. Tossing it aside, he kept on digging. Scrape, thump, thud. Treasure? Hoped Bulldozer. Do you think it's treasure? More junk, he muttered. Tossing it aside, he kept on digging. Scrape, thump, crunch. Please be treasure, begged Bulldozer. But yet again, when he shoveled it out, all he saw was... Arrgh! Bulldozer sighed. Maybe there was no treasure. But if there wasn't any treasure, what would he give his friends? He kept digging. Scrape. The pile kept growing. Scrape. It began to grow dark. Scrape. Bulldozer's hopes faded. He dragged himself out of his hole. He stared at the pile of junk, and his blade drooped. No Christmas treasure, sniffled Bulldozer. No presents for my friends. Then, through the swirling, whirling, twinkling snowflakes, he thought he saw. Was it? Could it be? He pushed it that way. He sat, smoke puffing from his stack for a moment. Then he poked the pile this way. He pushed it that way. He gave it a teensy nudge. At last, he paused and looked at his work. Said Bulldozer. It needs one more thing. He scooted across the snow. His motor hummed a holiday song. It was snowing hard when the big trucks bumped over to where Bulldozer worked. It's quiet time, boomed Dump Truck. Just one more minute, said Bulldozer. It's getting dark, rattled Scraper. And I'm getting cold, clattered Grater. Bulldozer kept working. And it's Christmas Eve, clanged Crane. It's... Bulldozer moved aside. Wonderful! For us? Rattled Cement Mixer. It's for all of you, said Bulldozer. Now that's a present to treasure, kid, rumbled Roller Truck. But wait, said Bulldozer. It still needs one last touch. What is it? What is it? Let's see. Merry Christmas. I think that's the end. The end. Wasn't that so cool? Bulldozer took all kinds of junk and was super creative and turned it into a really special gift for his friends. That's pretty cool. Merry Christmas. Bye from Maya.